What's up? What's up? What's up? This your boy Zeke Dawg, and I'm back with another video, man. So today I am leaving Reno, Nevada, heading toward San Francisco area. I gotta go through Sacramento, but I have to go over, I think it's pronounced Donner's Pass, Donner's Peak. And man, when I tell you, this is about to be a rodeo. This is gonna be my first time having to chain up. Hopefully they let me through. Man,
any of the 3 left lanes.
I'm really curious of how this is gonna turn out. I got plenty of diesel, I got food in the truck, and man, the rest is what it is. I'm gonna see what happens. They gonna either let me through or they won't. But hopefully they do let me through, but I can get to my load and get it picked up on time. In the meantime, man, if you need a truck, you know where to go to. Go on over to Lone Mountain website, the most legit Lone Mountain website out there, man. When I tell you they are awesome, check out their website, and then on there you're gonna see different inventories of trucks. Look at the down payment and the monthly payment, so you can find your next truck. All right, man, we got a little bit of time before we get to the treachery. Hopefully hopefully we can get over this pass, man. I am so concerned with them letting trucks through. I was watching live webcam footage of travel, and it wasn't a lot of motion. There's a lot of trucks out there, but not a lot of motion. So I called, all right then, just right there in front of me. So I called California Highway Patrol truck division, or commercial truck division, and I asked them what the requirements were and if the road was open. And they told me, yes, the road is open. The requirements under the current, I think it's R2, is 4 chains. So that's 2 on my drive, and so there's 1 on the left drive, 1 on the right drive, and then 2 on my trailer, 1 on the left tire. Total of 4 chained or chain devices. So I have snow socks for my big tires, and I have chains for my trailer tires. Never put on chains, never planned on putting on any chains. So man, this is I say an unfortunate side of trucking, but I got to get out here and get this money. I got to get home for my cruise, and we're gonna get it, man. Hopefully it's 46 degrees. Hopefully everything is warming up, and by the time I get there, they're like, man, you know what, just fly on through, you good. I won't even worry about the money I spent on the chains. I just want to get over the pass safely, slowly if need be, and get in to my destination to get my load picked up. Man, look at those beautiful ice-covered, snow-covered mountains that we're about to go across. Ooh, indoor car wash. Interesting. Oh, police ahead. I see you. Thank you for the Google alert. Sometimes it's accurate, sometimes it's not. Yeah, I see the flashing lights up here. Alright, so I just went through a chain check and he told me the requirements are minimum, which is 4, which is what I have. Alright. Let's see how this oh, this dude went around. He didn't even go through the chain check area. Oh, he big dog. Let's see who this fella is that went around. Might be Super Ego or something. DS Express. Okay, well, hey, do what you do, big dog. DS Express. You from California, so you already know about this road. Man, look at the mountains. Man, leaving Reno, once I make it the first 70 miles, I'm good. After those 70 miles, I mean, it's clear. It's nothing to worry about. No big snow-top mountains. Oh man, look at the stream down there. Oh yeah. All right, let's get over. Boomtown. Is that a casino? Boomtown free bingo. Wednesday nights. There's a lot of trucks over here. Must be a truck stop. Alright. Man. Alright, dog team. If I end up needing help, I need y'all to come push me. Man, that's a beautiful sight. Alright, I got about 20 miles before I get to the drama. That's a set of chains in the road. Somebody lost them. Man, those mountains are beautiful. Not a good day to ride a motorcycle up this mountain, but still beautiful. Man, I'm looking at that stream down there, man. I know it's cold, but it's such a beautiful sight. Such a beautiful sight. Like you don't see this back home. Not in the abundance that you'll see it here. So we've crossed into California. We got about 14 miles before we hit the bad stuff. But still beautiful sights up until the end. So amazing. Man, look at that. That's crazy. This is so late into the spring that it still looks like this, man. Unless this video comes out in the middle of the summer, but y'all know me. Alright. The sky's looking a different color now, man. I wouldn't say that's a comforting look, but that gray, yeah, that gray is something else. The temperature has dropped from, I think, like 42 to 38. So it's still above freezing, but it's still cold. Definitely above freezing, but still cold. So, man. This doesn't even look like it should even be real with. I could expect this stuff in December, January, February, maybe even March, but good God. I think he's removing his snow spikes. I don't think they're chains that he got on the car. All trucks west. Let's carry chains. Gotcha. So the chain law is in effect all the way through April 30th. Yeah. There's some more chains on the road. Somebody lost some chains here. And there go some more chains there. I missed this other projectile in the road, man. It was like twice the size of a ladder. I don't know what the heck it was, but it was in the dead center of the freaking road. I attempt to drop down to 36 now. Sheesh. Trucky. Okay. All right, man. It's time to get it in. Gotta try to find me a spot to pull into. All right, buddy, what you gonna do? What they say, crap or get off the toilet. Man, he lost his whole freaking tire back there. All right, I think I got a spot to pull into up here. Let's see. Are you finna pull forward, buddy? Come on. Come on, get out the road. There we go. There we go. Get me far enough out the road so I can let the next man in. Whew. There we go. All right, man. Let's see what let's see what this gonna do. Somebody threw some chains away right there. First time ever breaking these bad boys out. It's so much easier to put the socks on. And I was trying to buy socks for my trailer, but they didn't have the correct size, so I had to go with the chains. And they'll self-adjust, so I don't have to worry about that part. Alright. Probably gonna need this key. All right. This should straighten itself out automatically, but we shall see. Chains on pretty tight, both sides. This one got the locking system on it. Oh man. The snow socks require the speed limit to be under 20 miles an hour. So until I pull them off, this is my speed. I think I got about 6 miles to go. Like everybody want to pass me, but you know, I'm not too worried about that. I actually Googled the speed. It said, oh, not over 25. I'm like, and then I'm empty, so I'm like, it's not as much weight on the tires, but the speed on this dry road would tear up my snow socks. Chains probably could hold up a little better, but I'm okay with going this pace. And you still can see snow falling from the trees over here. Lake Tahoe. Man, it's a long line of guys trying to get chained up or trying to see if they even got chains. I was fortunate enough to be around truckers before I got on the road and heard the conversations, and then the local guys was telling me what website to go to see the current road conditions. So I was prepared prior to getting on the road. All right, we see the historic Donner's Pass exit, so I guess that puts us in the region of Donner's Pass. I need to get 16 more miles to be in the clear. Right now they're saying it's about a 40-minute time to do that. We shall see. Now, if it was like snowing right now, like coming down bad or something, I would quickly be like, hey man, I don't even supposed to be out here. But it's really sunny and shiny, and I think it's just the remnants of what came through yesterday, which is causing havoc. So we're gonna keep pushing it. I ain't in no rush to speed over these 15 miles, but at 15 miles an hour, it should take an hour. Oh my God. But at 25 miles an hour, it should take 40 minutes. Dang, they right. Man, look at that view. Downgrades next 40 miles. This is where all the traffic is going to back up at again, man. Come on. All right, we got about 3 more miles to go before I believe we are in the clear. Y'all gonna be like, Zeke Dawg, we didn't even get to see a load on this video. I'll get y'all a load, man. Hopefully I can get y'all a load, man. Dude, if I wasn't working, give me a sled and I'll be probably almost unaliving myself out here. That looks a little dangerous. Those are rocks down there. Nah, I wouldn't be sliding right there. I'll be sliding somewhere, just not right there. Right now, ETA got me getting there before 2:30, which I think might be the cutoff. So if everything stay good, I'm gonna be blessed to get it picked up today. That's gonna be a win for me. Man, I am up in these mountains, in the upper room, when Jesus. All right, so I don't know if I showed y'all. I pulled over and snatched my chains off at the chain removal area, because everything else is pretty much easy flowing, with the exception of, man, the truck is jacked up, with the exception of an accident up the road here. At least it's being logged as an accident. I don't know, I'm not there, but once we, the traffic, get around that, the rest should be smooth sailing. So I'm 131 miles out, trying to get there in less than an hour and 20 minutes. Beautiful mountains, man. Southern California. Way station closed ahead. Can't ask for more than that. Good deal. Scales closed. Do not enter. Man, you ain't got no worries. I am not gonna enter no scale that I think is closed. Heck, you better hope I enter that thing when it's open. Hit you with that, my bad. I ain't try to scoop by you. Didn't know y'all was open. Oh yeah, that's a little scale. Little bitty scale house. Yeah, man. Almost time for some fuel. Speed 55. Guess I don't have to worry about that. Who we got here, Mr. Motorcycle Man? I'm about to get off in a mile anyway, so I could take it slow. Kingman. I was just here a few days ago, or at least passing through here. No, I shut down right outside the city. And headed on up to Reno on that last load. So that, see, I shut down in Kingsman on Friday night. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So I was here like 4 days ago. Arizona. Man, you don't get to see mountaintops like this in the rest of the world, man. This is only here, this side of the country. Alright, I'm less than 150 from my next and final stop for the night.
Take the ramp ahead.
Alright, man, it's time for some of this 659 petroleum. Yeah, let's not waste none of this stuff. None at all. Like that color, that teal. Man, this truck is filthy. Y'all know how I feel about it, man. You gotta keep your equipment clean. Check the load. It's tight. That's tight. Tires look good. You can listen for air leaking out because it will air it back up if it was. Not sure why he got his blinkers going on, and he doing like 65 miles an hour. I can see if he was down to 40 or under, but dude, you going highway speed. Getting my early morning run on. It's I've been rolling for about 10 minutes or so now. It was about to be 5 o'clock. Oh, man. Local time. I'm yawning, but I did get a full 8 hours. So that's just part of getting up early, man. I don't know what you call that moon. Is that a eighth of a moon? I know it's not a quarter moon or a half moon or a whole moon. Time to go get my morning coffee. Alright, here we go. Boy, she looking good over there. Lit up. Yep. I could turn off my super night lights now. Man, she need a wash. I'm gonna try to get her a wash today. But my attempt may be a failure. I'm not waiting on line.
All right, man. Trying to get this load unloaded right quick so I can get out of here. This one, I might as well throw it away. Look at that. Trash. I said it. Yeah, I gotta find me some straps from somewhere else, man, because I can't keep giving them money and every strap I get is tearing up. I hate I didn't get a chance to get a truck washed, but it just didn't work out. I was trying for about 3 days, but had to get this load unloaded. Alright, I got it.
Boy told me he used to work with you, man.
Who that?
Yeah, he just pulled the shit up on him. You know, win big time.
Talking about on YouTube?
Yeah, he just pull you up.
Who said he used to work with me?
He maintenance over here now, so y'all work together for another company.
TMC?
I guess so.
Probably so. Yeah, that's all I need right here. I don't know what if you need all this. You don't need none of that? Okay. All right, man, I appreciate you. Yeah.
Big time.
Oh, well, shit. Hell, I was waiting on the first person that came through. All right, dog team, man. I'd have made it back home safe and sound. The White Walkers parked. I'm about to get ready to go on a vacation, man. So, appreciate y'all checking out these videos, man. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on that notification bell and join the dog team. So, until the next time, baby, keep it trucking.